Hello, I'm Avashi. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to a very eventful week in my life with some very interesting news towards the end. So keep watching.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
ये है स्कूल के टॉपर्स देख रहे हो me included. Hello to my ladies and gentlemen. Today is the 15th and IP Mat Rohtak is on the 18th. ये मैं इस वीडियो में 10 बार बोल चुकी हूँ because मुझे अब तक प्रोसेस नहीं हो रहा and मुझे कुछ करने का मन नहीं है. I did one mock today and I got a terrible score. I got 288. The exam is in 3 days and I got 288. अभी मैं एक और mock करने वाली हूँ. It's like almost 8:30. It's going to take me 2 hours and मेरा बिल्कुल मन नहीं है, but it's okay. This is one of the last times that I have to do a Rohtak mock anyways. But of course after that we have to do a lot of Indore mocks because Indore अगले Thursday है. So I only have 4 days for IB Mat Indore.
Anywhere you go, anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
So, let's do a little recap of what has happened in the past 48 hours. आज है 19th में and that means that कल IP Mat Rohtak हो चुका है and it was... I came out of that exam so disappointed, not because मेरा necessarily बहुत बुरा गया. I solved 85 questions, which is best case scenario 340. And obviously last year ka cutoff was 409, but like that's not going to be this year ka cutoff. I thought QA was really easy. LR was also easy except this one LR set which was so complicated. It had like 3 different parameters jiske basis pe we had to make a row wala arrangement and it was so complicated, like literally nobody I talked to was able to figure it out. Kind of regret wasting time on it. मैंने थोड़ा ऐसे जुगाड़ करके एक question solve कर लिया था from that LR set and I'm hoping that it was correct. I think actually I solved 2 questions from that LR set, but again it was not worth the amount of time I wasted. मेरे 5-6 मिनट waste हो गए उसको करने में. मुझे उसका बहुत regret हुआ. And then oh my god, I went to the exam center and I had my e-Aadhaar, okay, and I went in. The bahar wali guard bhaiya was like yeah all good, go in. Then I went inside, I stood in a line for 20 minutes and I was already like borderline running late at this point. I stood in line for 20 minutes, reached the end of the line and the guy was like, oh ye to nahi chalega. I was like, what? Like the official document, what do you mean nahi chalega? And then I went outside and this really nice cooperative uncle helped me out. I called my parents and I was like, please come get the actual Aadhaar card. The guard bhaiya outside, I told him ki this happened and he was like, nahi, it's fine, issue nahi hona chahiye. So I was like, okay. Then I ran back inside, went to the person and I was like, bhaiya, what are you doing? This is completely fine, ye Aadhaar card hai, whatever. And then he was like, theek hai, jao. And I was so pissed off in that moment. I could have broken his face. And then I just told the uncle ki ho gaya uncle, ho gaya, because I could go back outside. And my parents were obviously so stressed out, but lesson learned, I'm going to take my actual Aadhaar card for the next exam. So that happened. And then I went inside and we had to do biometric. So we had to get our thumbprint and also like the retina thing. Retina scan was fine. My goddamn thumbprint was not thumbprinting. At least 5 बार मैंने try किया to do the thumbprint thing, नहीं चला. Then the guy sent me to some other line. At this point तक मेरा दिल already खराब ही हो चुका था. I don't know what I'm doing for Indore because before, like a month before IP Mat Rohtak, मैंने पूरा इंदौर का prep बंद कर दिया था because I was like, I'll to do Rohtak, and then Rohtak happened. Hi guys. अरे मुझे बोलने दो. Guys, we're going to Select City Walk and हमने अपना ट्रेन स्टॉप मिस कर दिया. मेट्रो स्टॉप मिस कर दिया.
स्कूल की बातें करते करते मेट्रो स्टॉप मिस हो गया. अब हम वेट कर रहे हैं दूसरी मेट्रो कब आएगी क्योंकि हमें उल्टा जाना है एक्सटेंशन. सब्सक्राइब.
Yes, guys, हम आ गए हैं.
अभी नहीं आए.
मेट्रो स्टेशन. And then हम जाएंगे to हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? हम जाएंगे sorry. फिर हम जाएंगे मालवीय नगर. फिर हम लेंगे ऑटो और फिर ऑटो से हम जाएंगे सिलेक्ट सिटी वॉक. बिकॉज हम अपना पूरा दिन वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं.
हाँ guys, Abhishi's Changri and Chai deprived.
Guys,
Abhishi's irritated.
yes, Avishi is. मैंने एक भी चाय नहीं पी today.
Guys, हमने कुछ नहीं किया है.
कुछ नहीं किया.
We have simply existed.
50 people in that bedroom.
We have simply existed.
Okay, so इस channel पे I always share my successes, but that also means that I'm going to share my failures because you don't always succeed in everything in life, and that is a reality that you have to accept, and that I have come to accept since yesterday. So as you guys know, I am a commerce. I was a commerce student, and I'm interested in pursuing BBA plus MBA, like an integrated program, जो भी मिल जाए at this point. And that is why I applied for the IPMAT exam, which I'm sure that many of you would also have applied for if you are, especially if you're in commerce, or या फिर अगर आप 11th or 12th में हो in commerce, then you might be interested in pursuing this course after you're done with school. I'm filming this, I'm filming this, it is the 25th of May, and I had my Rohtak exam on the 18th, I had my Indore exam on the 23rd, and the Rohtak result is already out. The Rohtak result came out yesterday, and I regret to inform you that I did not clear the cutoff. I had studied, okay? I knew what I was doing, and I felt kafi prepared. And then this happened, so it was kind of a shock. The cutoff marks were 301, and I got 241. So obviously did not make the cut. मैं बताती हूँ क्या हुआ. Yesterday I went out with my friends and I was so happy and I had a great time. And आते हुए I was in the auto with my friend and suddenly मुझे पता चला that the Rohtak result is out. And then I was like, I called up my parents and I was like, Rohtak result is out. Rohtak result is out. And they saw on like the website that it said that the cutoff is 301, and they were really happy because I had attempted 85 questions and I was almost 100% sure that at least 80 of those were correct. Of course, they were not, because if at least 80 were correct, I would not have got it 241. ये मेरे कुछ friends के साथ भी हुआ है who felt their exam went well, but they did not get the marks that should have corresponded with the amount of preparation they did, with the amount of questions with the number of questions they attempted, with the accuracy they felt they had. I think Rohtak has only made the interview call to around 300 people out of the 13,000 people who registered for the exam, and 12,000, I think, 12,000 something who actually wrote the exam. I was काफ़ी disappointed yesterday because I was like, what is going on in life? I did like 35 marks for just Rohtak. Yeah, I missed something. Obviously, maths कभी भी मेरा forte नहीं रहा है. It's not been something that I'm very, very exceptionally good at. I've never been bad at maths, but it's never been like my favorite thing to do. So yeah, I was probably lacking somewhere and मुझे पता ही नहीं चला, and this happened. So yeah, and this is what I wanted to say in this video, that maybe you also did not make the cut for some exam that you are preparing for, for a college that you really wanted to go to. Yes, evaluate करना चाहिए if you worked hard enough or not, but after a point I think it is just futile to blame yourself and to hate yourself for what happened, because just it was not meant to happen. And I think we should just accept what the universe is giving us, because maybe there is something better out there in the path that the universe will carve out for us. ऐसी चीज़ों में believe करती हूँ. If you don't, that's completely fine. And when I went out yesterday, I did a little bit of shopping. Little bit of shopping, मतलब 3 tops खरीदी और उसमें ही 6,000 का bill आ गया. Yes, I know these are pieces that will last me years to come. So let's do a छोटा सा haul. I love their packaging. It's actually very cute. But हाँ, of course, थोड़ा on the expensive end only. मतलब expensive and like it's H&M prices. We went to H&M पहले because one of my friends wanted to shop from there. मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला that I actually liked, because I wanted these kind of tops, which I'll just show you. This is becoming my style. My new style apparently is all like business casual. I'm already in my business school era without getting into any business school. है एक satiny like shirt type thing. It's so pretty. I think this is like eggshell white. The second piece is another satin shirt. And the third piece I got is this really pretty girly pinky top. It's so cute. ये थोड़ा fancy और है. I mean, it's not like everyday wear. Entrance exam season is very stressful. Please take care of yourself. Continue to love and respect yourself, because you are not defined by how you do in an exam. Yes, doing well in exams is important, and yes, it can do a lot for you in your career, but it does not determine your self-worth. Whether that's your board marks, whether that's your CUET score or any entrance exam score. Doing really well in boards or CUET or entrance exams doesn't make you a genius, and not doing well does not make you a loser. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to follow me on Avashi's Coffee Shop and Avashi Mishra, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.